Hey bosses, hey, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to another Bawse Productions. Today's video is not going to be about making any products. Today I'm just going to show you how we do our mock-ups on Canva. I have the pro version, but these can be done in the free version as well. I have created all my mock-ups off of Canva. And they make your pictures and products look so professionally done without spending the big bucks on photographs and a photo shoot and all that good stuff. So you're going to start off with a blank canvas. You're going to go out and you're going to pick out your blank product that you sell. Right now I'm going to show you how I do my cosmetic bags. I find the cosmetic bags on Canva. Just type in cosmetics or pouch or anything. A few different bags is going to come up. You're going to want to pick out the bag that is close to the product that looks like yours. Or then you can also get a picture from where you get your product from. After you have positioned that on the canvas on your screen, you're going to go in and grab your design that you want to put on that bag. After you've grabbed your design, you're going to do your shaping, your cropping, and everything to make sure that it fits on the product. You're going to go in and you're going to do a background remover. You do your background remover, and then you can position it more. Sometimes that background might pop back up. Just hit that button again and it will take it away. And boom, you have created your project. Now I'm going to show you how to do a onesie. You're going to go into photos. You're going to type in onesie. Or you can type in kids t-shirt, whatever it is. But onesie normally brings up everything you need to bring up. Look through the onesies and find the one you like. Then you're going to go back in, go into your gallery, and you're going to pick out your design. Find the design that you like and you want to promote on this product. Take out your background remover and do the background. Erase your white background so it becomes transparent. That's what the background remover does. And then you will be able to place it. Make sure you size it as best you can to what it actually will look like once the client gets it. Because sizing is key when it comes to doing your mock-up. You don't want it to be too big or too small for the product. Now we're going to go in and we're going to find a t-shirt. You can do, they have kids t-shirts, men's t-shirts, women's t-shirts, front and backs of t-shirts, mock-ups of t-shirts with backgrounds, t-shirts with no backgrounds, t-shirts by themselves. They have a whole list of different t-shirts, holiday shirts, Christmas shirts. They have a whole lot of different backgrounds for your shirts. You can do it like that. When I do replace it, it refills up the whole background where it's going to cut off parts of your t-shirt. But if you do just add, you can size it to where you want. But be mindful that you will have them two little white spots at the top and the bottom. But if you like that aesthetic and it looks fine to you, don't worry about it. Because I use that sometimes just to give a different dimension and layer to my pictures. Now we're going to go in and we're going to find our design like normal. And we're going to go in and we're going to do our background remover so we can be able to crop and position our shirt on here properly, because it does have this big sunflower prop on the picture. So you want to make sure that it's not covering the picture, but it's still there. All right, now I'm going to show you something else. This is going to be for I believe it's a coffee mug. So you're going to go up top and you're going to type in coffee cup, coffee mug, and it's going to bring through a whole bunch of different types of photos of different types of coffee mugs, coffee shapes, and all that good stuff. I normally add mock-up to most of my stuff so I can get a full mock-up of a mug. that I want and I like I say, they give you a whole bunch of different kinds. You pick the mug that is close to what you have in your inventory. Position it. You're going to go to your gallery. You're going to find the picture that you want. I'm just picking random pictures right now because this is just for video sake, showing you how to do this. So I'm going through, I'm trying to find a picture that I have. This is my business phone, y'all. I have a whole bunch of pictures and stuff in my phones. This is where I do most of my stuff. So this video is positioned in the different way than my normal videos because it is on my phone with a screen record button. But all you do, grab your design. In order to do your coffee mugs, you might want to do your background remover first so it becomes transparent and you can see it the way you need to see it, to position it the way it needs to be positioned. And there you have your coffee mug. It is like the easiest thing. Now you're going to go here. You're going to download it. You can download all of them. You can download them individually. You're going to download them as a PNG. You can also go in here and make your little commercial ads. If you would like to see a video of that, please leave that comment down in the description box. For your mock-ups, your best bet is to save it as a PNG. But you can save MP4 videos, you can save as SVGs, and those are for the pro version. You pay like $9 to $12.99 a month for the pro version. But everything that I showed you, you can do on the free version. So you're going to download everything that you need to download, and you have created your mock-up. And it's saved to your gallery, but it is also saved to your Canva. Say your phone or your computer crashed and you deleted all your stuff. All you got to go back and do is go back into your Canva, and your mock-ups will all be there. It automatically saves it every time you make a change in your design, in your picture. It saves it within a couple of seconds. So you type Renee and it saves it. So I'm going through and I'm showing you the latest mock-ups that I'm working on, which is car decals, which I'm working on. They have a whole bunch of different things in there that you can do mock-ups on. I did my logo here. This is when I was working on my flyer for my beauty business. I wanted to do them a little postcard in their package like Ipsy does. This is where I go in and design all my logo banners, logo tags, my pictures for my logo. This is my logo. That is how I design my logo. That is my new logo tag for my clothing. Basically everything to do with me. There goes my DBK clothing tag, mock-up, t-shirt mock-ups. Everything to do with me and my business I do on my Canva Pro. Canva is a lifesaver. Canva is a money saver when it comes to placing on your website, showing the products that you got, the designs that you got, and you don't have the money to go spend $300 to $500 on a photo shoot. Canva is your friend. All right, now as you can see, this is my website, thebawsekreationz.com. Everything except for my rolling trays are done on Canva. From my new Tumblr promotion flyer, to my models in the products, to my tote bags. Everything is done on Canva. My trucker cap mock-ups, Canva. Not my trays, my onesies, all of these, shirts, hoodies, all of them is done on Canva. I have the pro version. You can get the pro version too. All right, y'all. If y'all like what y'all see and you would like to get more tips, tricks, and everything, just subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.